Welcome dear friends to your channel Knowledge Apna Dost. This video is specifically made for the students or the job seekers who has to face interview in the near future. In the video we are discussing three mistakes committed by the candidates in the interview which may prove fatal for their selection in the job, in the company or in the colleges, etc. So without wasting any time, we start the video. First and foremost, the mistake number one, dressing inappropriately. To dress inappropriately means not to dress according to the occasion. When a candidate enters into the room, the interviewer forms the first impression about the candidate by observing his dress sense, and thus this impression makes a very strong points in the favor or against the candidate. Generally, the ignorant candidate wear party wear or overwear the clothes and which are not according to the season or theme of the company. So what to do in that situation? The very safe bet would be to dress formally. Generally, the companies prefer candidates who are dressed very formally and who are dressed according to season. Like in summer, the boys should wear the check shirt and plain pants or trousers along with tie, while the girl should wear the salwar kurta with matching dupatta or saris with matching blouses to give a better look in the interview appearances. While in a winter season, they may wear additionally a coat which should be very formally colored, and in the winter season the girls may also wear the coat along with the matching trousers. So this will give a very good impression to the interviewer about the seriousness of the candidates. The second and more common mistake performed by the candidates is not preparing sufficient about the resume. They are not prepared at all about their achievement, their awards, and they do not prepare at all about their projects. Now, what to do? Actually, the resume is prepared by the candidate themselves. It tells their story in their own words. And according to that resume, the interviewer asks many questions. If the candidate is not able to answer the questions from his resume or her resume, then it is the most blatant mistake committed by the candidate and which generally go against the candidate. So instead of just wasting time, the candidate should thoroughly prepare his interview before interview his resume and should learn it by heart each and every detail, and to be very safe he should prepare it mock interviews at his home with the help of his family members or friends to be more confident and more prepared during the interview. This will certainly be reflected more positively in their favor. The third mistake committed by the candidate is not answering interviewer's question, that is bluffing and improper listening. What does bluffing means? Bluffing means interviewer has asked you a question and you don't know anything and you start answering him. Dear friends, the interviewers are in the profession of HR recruitment for a very long period of time, and generally they know many such candidates who keep on bluffing, and this does not give a favorable impression in their favor. The second thing, and the more common thing, is just jumping on the conclusion. The interviewer has not finished his asking questions. The candidate, just listening to few words, jump to the conclusion and interrupts giving his unprepared answer. This also gives about the hastiness given by the candidate and does not find good favor with the interviewer. So you should answer only after listening the complete question. You should give your answer taking pauses, and the pauses will also give you some time to think over the question, and it will also prevent you from making silly mistakes. Lastly, a few points to think. These are the interviewers spend around less than 1 second before making an impression when the candidate enters into the room. Therefore, you should try from the very first impression the interviewer had of you, he forms a very good impression about you. Resume should be prepared thoroughly and by heart. You should listen to the interviewer's question first and then only give your answer. Lastly, generally mistaken is that candidates keep on preparing their syllabus and each and everything before going to the interview. Generally, the interview is a test of personality. If you are not able to answer if one or two questions, then do not panic because they generally ask you some difficult questions, some ethical questions to test your personality to behave in uncertain situations so that they may visualize your reaction in that uncertainty. So, friends, do not panic if you are not able to answer one or two questions. Still, you can go through that by following and avoiding these three mistakes which we have discussed. Thank you very much. Best of luck for your coming interviews, and please like, share, subscribe our channel Knowledge Apna Dost. Thank you so much.